Hey YouTube, this is Abdul Carfix, and this is 2011 Ford Connect XLT, and we changing the ABS sensor. So simply, you got a connector right here. See, you unhook this guy right here, and down here, get some light. There's an 8mm bolt. You take it out. Once you take the 8mm bolts, okay, then you just pry that sensor out of there. Let me find one of those pry bar I have that we can use. A flat screwdriver would do it too. So let's try a couple of things here. So yeah, see, it's, you just gotta pry it. Here you go. Simple as that. There you go. See, it came out. Just pull out. I mean, it's not stuck or anything. If it's stuck in there for some reason, you can, this one look like it's broken too. No wonder why we having problem. This is broken inside. So you just reinstall, reverse of the, you reverse the process and you install the new one and hook it up to the connector, and that should take care of it. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel.